Hey friends, so unfortunately I'm still waiting on my car, so I'm gonna take you guys back to Tokyo today. We're in Takeshita Street in Harajuku. First place I stopped by was Etude House. First you gotta spray your hands, and I just looked around at the makeup. I didn't buy anything. And then I went and saw some squishies. So basically I'm just gonna squish a ton of squishies in this video. Enjoy my squishy shopping. They have a lot of really cute squishies. They're kind of expensive though. They're like 20 something dollars each, which I guess that's expected. Squishies are expensive. I actually have this coffee bread in my collection. Yeah. So this store is Kittyland. I once saw Kim and Kanye West shopping for Northwest here. That was like in 2017. That was like years ago. But anyways, it's always fun to look at what they have here because they always have a lot of cool toys and stuff. These squishies were so cute. I would have bought it, but I didn't know if they were slow rising or not because they're in the box, so you can't really test to see if they're like hard or soft. This mousse bread looks so nice too. It's like a really thick bread. You can't squish it either. I think they got tired of people squishing squishies because all the packaging gets crinkly, so they started packaging them in boxes instead. And all of these here are like iBloom squishies. I'm not sure what brand these were, but they were pretty cute. They even have like mystery bag squishies. So you buy these, that's like $6. You don't know what's in there, and you just have to buy a ton and hopefully get the whole set. These Sumiko Gurashi ones were really cute too. These are on sale. They were even selling canned bread here, like really cute canned bread, and there's a ton of really good looking flavors. They even had matcha. Okay, so all I did was buy a new suit for work at H&M, and I got some sunscreen at Innisfree. Okay, bye!